Our project is density based traffic light control. What we are trying to do is we are trying to control the duration of traffic light according to the number of vehicles which would be present in the path. For doing this, what we have done is the various components required. The various components, please explain.
We have used here a breadboard which includes three resistors and 3 LEDs. These 3 LEDs are connected to our Arduino Uno board, which we have connected to our laptop. This has a MATLAB code, so we are using this Arduino for interfacing between the breadboard and MATLAB. We have a webcam so that we can get the image of these dummy cars. And this is our whole project setup.
Now we are in demo process. First of all, we will take background images, then apply for 0.
First of all, we are taking a reference image of this traffic path. We put 0 here according to our program. Then we take, suppose there are some vehicles present.
You have taken
Image of these vehicles. According to our program, we count number of vehicles according to vision blow analysis via area. According to that, upon we sending data from MATLAB to Arduino. For suppose there are 5 vehicles, then we glow green LED for 5 into X. According to that, you can see here green LED is glowing for 2 into X, 10 seconds. Then after red LEDs, then after yellow LEDs.
So coming on, let me summarize the various methodologies which were used for implementing this project. The first one was image acquisition. What we had done is we had taken the pictures of the road. After that using RGB to gray conversion, we had actually allotted a particular specific range of areas, that if an object lies between these areas, so it would be considered as a single object. So using RGB to gray conversion, we converted it to gray image. Then after that we had used image enhancement. Using image enhancement, we had improved the quality of the image. The third one was used is the next step which was used was edge detection technique. Using edge detection technique, we actually differentiated the number of objects. Lastly, it was blob analysis. Blob analysis is a method which is used to count the number of objects. So using it, we actually counted the number of objects. In fact, it was used for this as a glue for 10 seconds. Because there were two cars over here, and for each we have considered a single base of 5 seconds. Lastly, we had done interfacing using Arduino with our MATLAB software. So coming on to the conclusion, what are the future applications which we consider it to be? The first is we consider our project to be a basic foundation of the future projects, just because the roads in the future are going to be more faster and furious, so it won't be possible for a human being to control the traffic. So our project forms the basic foundation of the future traffic signal control. It can be considered to be a boon in case of metro cities. Suppose what happens in Indian traffic signal system is that even if there is no car present on the other side, but still the red signal glows for a particular period of time. But why should we be doing that kind of thing? In case if there is no car present, so why the other people should be waiting? This is a very good, because it is less time consuming and more fuel efficient, because a lot of petrol gets wasted while the people are waiting on the queue. So, and you can consider a few drawbacks of our project is that actually it depends a lot on, it requires a lot of cameras so as to count the objects, and the main is that it has an environmental impact, because in case of snow and all, the cameras used to get covered with snow, which will hinder our process. So this is our project which we have done in our electronics section, IIT Roorkee. So let's meet with all the members. I am myself Nikhil Mishra, electrical engineering second year.
I am Vasudha Raja, electrical engineering second year.
Me Gajendra Malviya, electrical engineering second year.
This is Rajat Kumar, electrical engineering second year.
I am Param Vijay, second year electrical engineer. And we are for all members.
We all had contributed for this project. So thank you.
Thank you.